What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith back with another live stream. Today is um Tuesday, December 30th, 2025, and we are going to trade stocks and futures. Um Honestly, y'all, I gotta give me 1 second. Well, actually, y'all ain't gotta give me a second. I can do it while I'm talking. Uh, but yeah, finna get into these stocks and futures. Y'all know before we get started, anyways, we gotta do what? We gotta get our prayer in. So let's get. My bad if I got loud right there, but let's get our prayer in. Bow your heads. Dear Lord, we come to you just saying thank you once again, Lord. Thank you for another week of being able to trade. Thank you for letting us be able to be here on this closing week of the year. Thank you for all that you put us through, the challenges we faced and overcame. The knowledge we gained during this journey and the continued growth in the future, Lord. We want to just thank you for it. Thank you for molding us into the people we are today, the children we are today of you, and the traders we are today of you, Lord. Actually, let us close out this year with a wonderful year, a wonderful week, my bad, a wonderful week, and enter into the new year with just an even better and even um wiser mindset. We just want to thank you for everything you've done. No matter if we win, lose, or draw today, we ask that we be grateful and we learn from the situation. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. All right. Now let's get into it. First thing first. One, I'm going to tell y'all economic news. We got PMI at 845. And then we got FOMC meetings at 1. Huge, 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 huge. PMI coming out at 845. FOMC at 1. That could change, like I've been telling y'all all week. We've been having some stuff this previous month get pushed back and not come out when they're supposed to. So be on the lookout for that if it don't come out. Um, Now, big news, big news, big news. We have finally set up our what you call it? Trade Finally set it up. I got my accounts on copy trading, so we're finally gonna be copy trading today. Um, of course, we got our activated PA account, and then we got two evaluations getting copy traded. Okay. Um. So yeah, we actually copy trading today. Yes, I'm supposed to be on here. Supposed to. I don't want y'all to see my. I don't know if I do. It matter if y'all see my account numbers? Cause I don't want nobody hacking me, man. But uh, we got. I know I'm supposed to be on Tradeovate. We will be taking the trades on Tradeovate, but we will be looking at Trading View for the trade. So y'all will just see Trader View, but I'm gonna press buy and sell on Tradeovate, okay? Because I can't do copy trade on Trader View, but if I press buy and sell on Trading View, it will still show the. So hopefully y'all can follow along what I'm trying to say. So to y'all, it's just gonna look like we just trading on Trading View, but for me, I'm trading it through Tradeovate. Okay. Now let's get into this market today. Oh, actually, I need to switch my trading rate to MNQ because I got on MYM right now, and that'll suck. We looking at MNQ trades and getting MYM, MNQ. Okay, think we're let's see. Yeah, we got it now. Now I'm still getting familiar with putting my stop loss and take profit on Tradeovate. I'm not always too comfortable with it, but hopefully it don't mess us up or anything. Cause I literally only took one trade with it. Now coming into these charts today, what we're looking for, um, looking at MNQ. Honestly, I told y'all last night if you was in the stream, I said, hey, if we open up inside here, inside of this daily gap, fair value gap right here, I'm kind of expecting us to drop possibly down to this gap here and then try to bounce. I really would prefer at 8:30 that hey we opened up above here to come down. So pretty much do this. Open up above the gap, come down, retest it, and then we could have took the longs back to this top gap. But since we're opening the inside of the gap, a little more than likely, we still got 7 minutes. There's a chance we can go up. I'm more looking towards potential shorts. So it'll be drop, wait on a pullback, and then I think we're gonna come down at least somewhere close to this gap. I'm not sure if we're gonna quite get there. So honestly, right now I'm looking to be bearish. The only way I'm looking to be bullish is if we can get back above this daily fair value gap. Okay, drop down to the hourly, see what the hourly looking like. Hourly, we had higher high there, so we did make a higher high there that broke the structure. Made lower low, high. We don't got another lower low, so we're kind of consolidating right now in this area. We're kind of consolidating. The key levels we're focusing on, though, to see this consolidation break will be this high of this week on the hourly at 25,818.75, and then the low of this week, which is 25,647.75. Now, the only thing that's kind of not the best is by the time it come take this low, it'll already kind of be at our target that we want to take the shorts. So we might have to try to find the shorts a little sooner. By the time it take this high up here, it already went to our target for the longs. So we might have to look for the longs a little sooner. Like I said, possibly look for the longs above. Hold up, turn this magnet off. Look for the longs above this gap, this daily gap right here. Look for the shorts. Honestly, the shorts we just gotta make a downtrend underneath it. So we got low. We already making a downtrend, so we might be straight flushing down right now, honestly, because we made that break. That's that low, high, lower low. Okay, so yeah, we might be going down right now as we speak. We might get in 1 micro just to see if it's going to push down to it. I think we want to do that. I wish we got in up here a little bit, but I'm thinking 1 micro might not hurt. So let's see. Let's get our first trade in, man. Get our first trade in with this. With the what you call it? With the uh trade of 8 copy trades. Okay. Let's go to what time frame we on? We on the hourly. Oh my goodness, I just thought about we on the hourly, y'all. Look, first trade we already messed it up a little bit. We on the hourly. I thought I was on the 5 minute. That's a big stop loss all the way up there. Being on the hourly. Oh man. Might have to cut this trade pretty soon. I'm gonna just set stop up here. Set stop up there. Hey, we might have to cut this trade soon. I did not realize we was on that hourly. Let's see. But we only in 1 micro. You know what? We in 1 micro. It's not too bad of a stop. I mean, it's probably like 100, probably a little bit more than 100. Let's see. Can we find a solidified level? This potentially can be one. I just want to see green then make another lower low. That's the thing. This potential, or if we just come down here and make this low, then it actually solidifies. Then our stop loss is okay. If we come down here and make this lower low, stop loss is okay if we come down and make that lower low. We're aiming for this low down here, or really that gap down there, but we just say that low. So what level is that? Y'all gotta give me some time to get acclimated with doing these trades on Trade of 8. Okay, where is that low at on here? I think it's right here. Is that it? Yep, that's it. We a little bit off of it, but it's close enough. Alright, it's close enough. Come on, make this lower low. Make that lower low, please. You're almost there. Okay, we made that lower low. Let's go. Made that lower low. We really want to see us get some closures below. I'm gonna put white line. Go to the 1 minute. It is rejecting though. It is rejecting, but hey, we gonna wait it out because we solidify this now. So if it flipped and break that, then it mean it wants to come up. So the only way we gonna bring stop down is once we're up like $40. We might bring it stop down to $20. But other than that, I think or if we get some solidified levels below that white line I just made. That's it. Ooh, hard rejection. Oh my goodness. It might be coming up, y'all. Might be coming up. Ooh, stopped out. Wow, it's okay. It's fine. $30 ain't bad. $30 ain't bad. We was up 20. $30 is not bad. Let me remove these positions here though. Okay, remove that. Okay, I think we're good. Dang. Came and got us a quick little $30 loss. That ain't bad at all though. We was looking for them shorts. We could have got. That's the thing. That I ain't gonna say that's being greedy, because technically it wasn't being greedy because we was looking for that higher time frame, and our style loss really supposed to been up here on the higher time frame. But on the 5 minute we hit our target. We kind of supposed to get out once it hit our target, especially if it would have rejected. So can't necessarily be upset about losing it because we got in them shorts. It's supposed to just came and make the lower low. It did its job. It just came back up. That's all. Just came back up. But we not upset about that at all. Alright. We're going to give this hourly candle a chance to close. If it closed green, we're going to wait on that next hourly. And if that next hourly closed red without taking this high up here, I think we're going to grab them shorts. As long as we don't take this high up here. Put a yellow line. And if it just closed red, we still like the shorts, but I don't know. It's more of a chance of coming back up. And remember, we got PMI at 845, so that's another reason why I don't mind being not in trades right now, because PMI can literally skyrocket it or shoot it all the way down. Go to that daily real quick. Let me remove this. Alright, we on the daily. See if we gonna push back above this daily gap though. Actually, I want to see, what did this previous day? Did it go? Oh, then it came back in. Never mind. Oh man. Oh. I'll go to that 5 minute. See what that 5 minute looking like. 5 minute just made a higher high, so you can't really go with the shorts just yet, unless we come make another lower low. What is this white box? That's what I'm trying to see. What the heck is this white box? Go to the hourly. Oh, this was the it was the box I was showing y'all we in the range. Oh, okay. I didn't know what that was. Okay. If it's a red close though, we might get in one more time with one, but we're gonna actually set our stop where we were supposed to up here if it closes red on this hourly. But that first trade, technically, we could have won because it did go to target. We just didn't close it. We was trying to see if it was gonna just flush all the way down, and it just did. That's all. It just didn't. So for the shorts though, these are the targets. Then that one down there. If you're looking to go short, those are your targets. I'm still thinking shorts as of now. Still on the bear side. Oh man, I almost forgot I had breakfast right here. I grabbed me something before stream. I ain't even ate it yet. All I'm looking for is a downtrend to start back coming. Uh-oh, we finna get it. What's this high? This high is 733, 732. Uh-oh, look like the shorts coming through. It's on the 1 minute though, that's the thing. But it definitely like the shorts. It's just dang, it's on the 1 minute. It's closed red here. I think I'm gonna grab short. Go to 5 minute real quick. This definitely just made a lower low. But we still got 4 minutes on the 5 minute. That's the thing. So it very well can come back up. But we're gonna grab one short. So you gotta be kind of careful because that 5 minute very well can shoot back up. And we do got that PMI. So let's set these stop losses. Where we at? Alright, we're gonna keep our stop up there for now. Let's see. Target supposed to be those first. But I ain't gonna lie, I kinda wanna see if it gon' Oh, I ain't even know that can move. Hold up. I ain't even know you can move that. Ooh, I gotta get familiar with trade on here, y'all. I got to get familiar with it. Cause I am a little bit slow at my reactions and everything, so gotta get a little quicker. I go to that 5 minute, see if the 5 minute. Come on, if the 5 minute can close red, we're good. At least for now. We need this 5 minute to close red. Close the green to mess our whole trade up. Hold on 1 minute. Come on, man. You need to drop before 8:45 now. Cause I don't want to risk it at 8:45. Oh my goodness, crowd strike. I'll be right back on that chart, y'all. I gotta look at crowd strike. It's dropping. I just seen it. We just talked about this yesterday or last night. I freaking forgot that I said I was gonna buy it out the open. Golly. Let's see, is it a downtrend? Yep. I forgot that I said I was gonna buy it out the open. Hope it ain't too late. It might be. Let me go to 5 minutes. Actually, 1 hour low. Really need this low to get taken. See, 5 minutes still looking bearish. Alright, we're getting a pullback. Okay, we're getting a pullback. Getting a slight pullback on it. We'll give that pullback some time. We'll give it a little time. Getting some slight pullback. Dang, man. I was supposed to buy it to open, though. I'm supposed to buy them shorts at the open. But it didn't give. I was looking for more of a pullback than that, but it never gave us it. So maybe PMI gives that pullback to up here, then I can get in. But if not, because it very well can be stalling. By not doing that pullback on the daily, like we dropped, came up, dropped hard. Yeah, it can kind of stall. It can kind of go sideways. Unless this news push it hard either direction. That's the thing. We got 2 minutes. Oh my god. I mean 3 minutes. I'm probably gonna get tricked out my M&Q. Cause they made it wait so long. And now we stuck, y'all. We stuck. And I hate trading with the news. Actually, you know what? Can Apex trade with news? I don't even know. Can Apex trade with news, guys? I don't know. Here, let's sell. Let's sell. We up $30, but we're gonna sell. We're gonna sell. Because I don't know if Apex lets you trade with news. Then I press sell. Exit all, exit all. Oh, I press sell. Oh my freaking goodness. I press sell. I just thought about it, y'all. I pressed sell when we was in shorts. Oh my goodness. Oh my freaking goodness. And we was up 120, but I was pressing sell and it started pushing up. We ended up losing. Ended up losing how much we lost on that? Like $30? Oh my goodness, man. What the heck? I was pressing sell so many times. How much did we lose on that trade? Let me switch to the other account and see. Man, we lost $60 because I pressed sell so many times and it pulled back. We was up 30. I pressed sell 3 times. I was like, why the heck it ain't selling? Ended up getting 3 more contracts. So y'all seen it said 4. It did go down and we was up 120. And I was like, why the heck we ain't closing? So something in me just told me press flat and all. And I pressed flat and all. And get what happened. When I flattened it all, it pushed up and we lost $60. God dang. Come on, man. No, we lost $30. We lost 30 because we already lost 30 at the beginning. So we lost $30 off of that. Golly. Up 120. We would have been up $80 on the day. That was my fault. That was my fault, y'all. I told y'all I gotta get used to this dang Apex. I mean, get used to this trader bait. Golly. We was up 120. I pressed the wrong button. I'm pressing sell, sell, sell. And we already in short, so all it did was add position. It's alright, man. We gonna make that bet. It ain't really 60. We down $60 on the day right now. Ain't that bad. We ain't worrying about that too much. Golly. That was supposed to be an easy win right there. Mm-mm-mm. I just hurried up because I'm thinking about the news. I didn't know if Apex let you trade the news or not. So I was like, let me hurry up and close. Let me hurry up and close. And I'm pressing sell, sell, sell. The whole time I could just press exit all or something like that. I think the short's still going, but I'm gonna give it like 2 minutes after the news because I think if they don't let you play news, that should be good enough. I still think we're gonna fall, which we are. Oh my freaking goodness, we messed up that trade so bad. We messed that trade up. We literally, I'm a little upset about that. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm upset about that. That was easy shorts, easy like $200 right there. Uh-oh, that's that PMI. Told y'all, look. PMI flipped. We gonna give it some time though. Let that PMI settle. Let that PMI settle. Let me go look at SPY real quick. See what SPY opened up at. SPY opened inside the gap, look like. So it's real hard for me to want to be bullish. Since it opened inside this gap, it's hard for me to want to be bullish. Honestly. I mean, we gotta push up real hard for me to be bullish again. Right now, it just looks straight. Like it can close green, but it's just opening inside this gap just don't look good for the bulls. Opening inside a daily fair value gap does not look good for the bulls. Let's look at QQQ. QQQ, where did we open it? Did we open in a gap? No. Come on now, what's this lag about? I hope that's not because we trying to run trader rate with it. QQQ indecisive. We can't really tell with QQQ. Go to the hourly. Just right now, the hourly short. Let's go back to MNQ. Hey, dang, man, we messed them shorts up. Like, we was up 120 easily. Well, we was up 120 right here. That's probably like 180 right there. We did mess them up, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. We fumbled a good trade. We was literally in a good trade. I need to look up. Let me look it up and see if we can trade Apex accounts during the news. Cause we kind of try to force close it because we was assuming the news. Can you trade Apex accounts during news? It said yes. No, it says you can. No, I said we can hold through news. Oh, okay. I ain't know we can hold through news, y'all. I didn't know. I didn't know that. If it come break this, we gonna have to literally wait on structure to form again. I do not feel like seeing that happen again. Like we just making lower lows and higher highs. Come on, don't break it. Go ahead and reject right here. Shoot. Reject right here, please. I do not feel like waiting on structure to form it again. This is just big consolidation. Oh my goodness, big consolidation. Oh man. Well, it really, you know what? No, it count because it already made that lower low. Yeah. Dang. Unless somehow we flipped all the way back red, that's the only way. But I don't see it. I mean, we do got 10 minutes. It's a chance we can flip all the way red. It's a chance. But I don't know, man. I don't think we're going to come all the way back red. That really messed it up, man. We was in this downtrend underneath the daily gap, and boom, broke right back above, broke the downtrend. Tough. Now we gotta either see if it's trying to make an uptrend and go up, or if we just did a fake out to come right back down. Mm-mm-mm. Honestly, I wanted to say that at the beginning of the stream, based on how today was opening up, I was really looking like, man, this don't even look like a good trading day, to be honest. I really think we're gonna be chopping most of the time today. Cause even when we was just talking about with SPY, we was like, hey, we really don't even want no longs. Let me show y'all real quick. Really don't want no longs uh on SPY unless we somehow push all the way up. And like we said, or if we build base above some daily gaps. But I don't want to get a long in between this gap. Like unless I get one real light long, I really don't want to get in a long in between this gap. I'd much rather have it happen above this gap. Okay. So it's kind of like today, unless somehow like FOMC meetings can do it, somehow we push back above this gap, then I'll look for the longs. But all of this right here, I don't really like the longs at all. And then the only way I can go short is inside the gap. So really, it's like we in the rock and the hard place. It literally can chop most of the day until FOMC come. Then it can push high or low. And then whichever direction it push, I think that's where we're going to trade to. So we might not really even get no good trades until around 1 o'clock. This might be straight sideways movements until 1. I mean, it's a chance we can break out before, you know, maybe at that around that 11 o'clock counter, but really like it's going to be a chop movement. So we might sit with our $60 down right now and just wait until FOMC news come out first and then get in the trade. That might be the smarter plan, honestly. Just stay on your 60. Don't even play around with this chop right now because it's probably just going to be going back and forth. Or sit back and forth inside here. So just wait until we clear. So I could set alerts. Let's do that. Let's do that, y'all. We're gonna set these alerts because even CrowdStrike chopping, it went down to 72, came all the way back up to 76. So we're gonna set these alerts. Well, we already got alert up here if it came across up here. we gonna set. Really don't need no alert down here. Honestly, because it's more just, hey, every time it come underneath here and build base underneath, take the short. So it's like, I don't know. I set an alert down here, but I don't think we really need no alerts down here, to be honest. Really don't think, because having an alert down here don't necessarily mean we gonna flush hard, you know? Only way it'll mean that we're flushing hard is if we sit here and take this low down here at 686. So, but I'm gonna still set alert up there. But I think we finna be ranging, y'all. Then we go range until we break either direction. So we got them alerts set. It's gonna let us know. And I think we're gonna just chill, man. Let's go look at gold. We can probably trade gold. But when it comes to M and Q, I think leave the market alone. Honestly. Leave it alone. Don't touch it until we break either direction. Now looking at gold. Dang, but that would have been nice, man. Quick 120. We was up 120, but we didn't close it the right way. God dang, man. 120. And that we would have only been up 80 on the day though, because like we said, we lost well now we've been up $90 on the day because we lost 30 that first trade. So we've been up 90 on it today. But it's completely fine. You know, that was Ricky's mistake. We pressing sell to try to close the trade when we're in shorts and they end up adding positions instead of closing. So that's my fault. But it's day one, y'all. Y'all gotta forgive me. It's day one. We're gonna get better at copy trading with TraderVate. I was moving slow on it. My reaction time is slow on it and everything. So y'all gotta bear with me. Like, watch. Give me about a week. I don't even need 2 weeks. Give me 1 week full of TraderVate copy trading. I ain't gonna be an expert, but I'm gonna be good at it, man. I'm gonna be good at it. Y'all just give me a second, man. Give me a second. Bear with me. All right, looking at MGC. We closed below this daily gap. I definitely expected us to, come retest it. Now, is it making a downtrend? Ooh, this might be a good entry to go short. Got our lower low. I just want a one pullback. I don't want it to just straight flush, man. If it's just straight flush and don't give us the entry, it's gonna suck. I want to see a slight pullback. Just give me one little pullback, then one more red, and I will definitely get in the shorts. But we already did this right here. We got high, low. Well, actually, my bad. This what we got. High, so low, high, lower, low. All I need is this. Dang, that's the wrong drawing. High, low. Yeah. I just need this right here. I need one more pullback. Need one more pullback. I'll get in on the 3. And take it all the way down. If it's just straight flush here, that's gonna suck. Definitely gonna suck. They got the high, low. We just need a pullback for a lower high, and then boom, lower low. I get in a light position. Stop loss at 2. If we pull back one more time, I will add another position right there for it. So we'll go one. We might get a 1 contract or 2. Then we get here, we might add one or 2 more. At the max, we're gonna be in 4. Really, I want to say at the max, let's get in just 3. But we gotta see a pullback. If it's just straight flush, that's gonna suck, man. Let's see on the lower time frame, do we get some pullback? So we had high, low. Dang, we missed the shorts. Oh my goodness, we missed the shorts. This was the short entry right here. Had our what we was talking about with 1 through 3. Boom. Here go number 4. Once number 4 came, style loss at 2. aim for number 3. It got there, pushed completely down. You know, we still can get an entry though. Let's see. Still can get an entry. Only thing, our solidify level all the way up here. Look at this. We get in, say this close red. Solidify level is all the way up there. That's the thing. Target is this low here. Yeah, that's not a good risk reward. We can't get in that. Can't get in that right now. Now, if it make a lower low, then pull back close to this new solidify level, then we can get in the short then, because our stop loss will drop. Like once it make the lower low, our stop loss will be down here. But that's the only way we can get in. Don't like it right now. Let's go to M&Q. Mike can get some scalps. Yeah, ain't nothing for M&Q right now, man. Because look, we just made a higher high, right? We got to make some type of higher low first, then make another higher high. Maybe that's when we can get in. When we come down, make a red, make a higher high. The next pullback, we'll get in. But we got to wait on some red candles first, so that's the thing. But the thing is, like I said, I'm thinking we're going to be chopped. So it's like, do I even want to put myself at that type of risk? Because look, the next target is here. After that target, okay, after that target, it's up here. Okay, it's up here. That ain't that bad. That ain't that bad. We're going to give it a couple of seconds. See if we can get some red, green to come take that high. Take this high up here. And then one more red. And then that very first green, we get in the long. Okay? That's our plan. That's our plan. So, if y'all want to know what we're looking for, we look for this. We got high. We want the low. We want a higher high. Then that next low. Once this next low, once we get a green, we get in. Aiming for number 3. Alright? That's what we're waiting on. That's what we're waiting on. Oh, that's what we're waiting on. Let's go back to the higher time frame. I hate looking at I just hate looking at the 5-minute all the time, especially in consolidation. That junk just look horrible. So we got high, lower low, high, low. Did we make a higher high? Let's see. 77450 774. Yeah, we made a higher high. Okay. So we got high, lower low. Let's mark it out so we won't have to keep saying it. Got a high, lower low, high, low. Oh, but we made a lower low. Golly. Oh my goodness. I was just about to say we in the uptrend. But we made a lower low. That messed it up. Oh my goodness. So like we said, we consolidating, y'all. We consolidated. Golly. So basically this started it all over. Once it made that lower low, it started it all the way back over. So now we just got our high. Just got our high right now. That's all we got. Dang, it started it over. I'm gonna look at gold. See if gold gave us a setup yet on a 5-minute. Okay. Okay. Could look for the shorts down to this low, but I don't know if we really want it. The only reason, like I said, the reason why we don't want to take them shorts down there to it is because this not solidified. This is the solidified. So yes, you be thinking it's gonna be your stop loss, and it could very well if it goes straight down there too. But since it's not solidified, it's a chance that it can come up here. That's the thing. So on the way you do trade this though, if you are trying to get in here, you'll get in them shorts after the first red, right? Then you'll drop down to the 1 minute. And you use a 1 minute solidify low, the last 1 minute solidify low. So you use this as your stop loss right there. And it should go straight down to your target without coming up there. Okay? But I don't really want that small of a trade, so I ain't finna do that. I ain't finna do that. I mean, it ain't bad of a trade, but I just not gonna do that. That's all. Cause we even made a higher high right there, so it restarted this trend. So we need to see. Let's see this. We need to see a high, then a lower low. Now we see a high and a lower low. Maybe you can get in. I might get in one light, set the stop loss at whatever that lower high is, and then just aim down there. That might be what I do if I try to get in something. Let me go look at Tesla, because we was talking about Tesla yesterday, getting down to 451, 52 area. Oh, it didn't get there all the way. It got to 53. It got to 53. I still think it want to come down there. I still think it wants to come down there. It's just really, everything is leaning on FOMC meetings, honestly. Really, everything is leaning on FOMC meetings. Literally. Literally, like, that's what, I think everything's waiting on FOMC meetings. We getting pullbacks for right now until FOMC meetings come, and then either we drop or keep pushing higher. And like I said, it really don't look like good trades, honestly. Let's see. Did the 5 minute give us a setup to go? Okay, we got a low. Got a low. Okay, got a low. Can we come make a higher high? And then can we pull back one more time to let us get in? And we're gonna go a little heavier on that trade. We're gonna get in like 3 contracts because because we don't expect the movements to be real fast. I mean, the movements to be real long where we can hold them. So we think they're gonna be real quick movements, and we want to be in and out these trades pretty fast today. Don't really want to hold too long until after FOMC meetings. Then we can hold long. God dang, bro. We would have if we would have closed our trade the correct way. Either we would have actually if we would have closed it the correct way the first time, we would have broke even on the day because I was up 30 on that trade, and we lost 30 on the first trade, so we'd be at break even right now. But if we would have closed it right in time, like I pressed exit all when I was up 130, and it didn't squeeze last second, we would have been up $90 on the day. $90 on the day, even when it's looking choppy like a mug. And y'all want to know what I'm kind of guessing? It might give us a green, but I'm kind of thinking we gonna come right back down. I think we probably just go right back down, keep chopping, or we might go green and don't make a higher high and come right back down. Like, oh man, this is just trash price action. I might have to come back at 1 o'clock, y'all. Well, no, I'm definitely gonna restream at 1, but I might have to wait on trades till that time. Leave, bro. I was trying to get me a good trade in. That dang market opened up in the gap. Why the heck you had to open inside the gap, man? On SPY and QQQ. All you had to do was either open above the gap, or come flush straight down. One of the two. It's just literally trying to consolidate today. And I don't think I'm gonna hold y'all up longer. Like I said, it's literally looking at the charts. It's telling you we're gonna probably consolidate for a little while. So guess I'm gonna go end it here. Probably maybe 12 o'clock I'll be back on, but I know the news come at 1:30, so I highly doubt I want to get in a trade at that time. So, but yeah, y'all have a good one. I guess for right now on the stream, if y'all know if I win anything though, I will definitely post it on our on our page on our feed on YouTube. Um, but right now we look like day one of the Trade of 8 copy trade. We down $60. Okay, down $60. All right, y'all have a good one though. Your boy Keith is out.